Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and manage privacy requests with Optery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download and manage privacy requests with Optery, begin by visiting the Optery website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation message from Optery. Once verified, log in to your Optery account using your credentials. Navigate to the Privacy Requests section in the main menu. Click on the New Request button to initiate a new privacy request. Select the type of data you wish to request, such as personal information or data related to specific companies. Fill out the necessary details for your request, including any supporting documentation if required. Review your request for accuracy before submitting it. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification regarding your privacy request. Monitor the status of your request within the Privacy Requests section. If your request is fulfilled, download the information by clicking on the provided download link. Keep track of any responses or additional information required by checking your notifications regularly. To manage multiple requests, return to the Privacy Requests section to view all current and past requests. If any issues arise, utilize Optery's support resources for assistance. By following these steps, you will successfully download and manage your privacy requests with Optery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.